Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere over here. Click it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. It's been a long day. Like, it's the end of my day actually right now. I'm gonna be in bed soon. But I did manage to get my security camera set up. A little quick video.
It's
working. I paid for some gigs, some 4G gigs, so I can hang the security camera tomorrow at Picket, and it was sending me notifications of my husband moving around. As you could tell, he was real animated there. Anyway, I had a super long day today. I put the entire paper together myself, which is fine. I'm quite capable of doing that. It's just freaking exhausting for me. Mentally exhausting for me. So I got home and I wanted a veg, and then my husband made me pancakes for breakfast, for dinner. And I was like, oh, that was so sweet. Like, oh, pancakes and bacon. So it was a really good dinner. I'm super tired, super duper tired. I went ahead and decoupaged down the labels on all of these. They're not coming off anymore. The poison was the one that was coming off a lot. They're stuck down now. So those are going to end up in the booth this month. And I'm going to flip this over today and get the legs painted. Probably not going to do a video of me painting, because you guys have seen me paint a million times. But I don't want to get behind on it. And I'm going to be gone. I'm telling you. I'm not lying when I said this day exhausted me. There's not a whole lot of juice left in the tank. You know what I'm saying? Last night, I had, like, my shoulders all stiff and my neck was stiff. So I put the massager on my neck. My husband making fun of me because I fell asleep and I face planted in my own crotch. I fell forward. And evidently, I'm still pretty limber because I went poof right down onto the bed. And I was like, I can still touch my toes. So I had the thing on my neck and I was sitting there and I fell asleep, evidently. It felt good. But then I fell asleep and I boom, and I'm like, what? Oh, fell forward. So I'm an old lady, but apparently I'm still limber. I didn't even change out of my work clothes. This is like clean stuff without paint on them. So I put the leather apron on just so that I could paint the legs. I just want to get the legs done. I didn't want to have to change my clothes. And it's a lot. That's just a lot. Changing my clothes feels like it'd be a lot of work right now. So I'm not going to do it. Okay. I'm going to just wear the apron and pray that I don't get all sloppy, which I have a tendency to do anyway. And if not, these became painting clothes. So I'm going to flip this over, paint the legs and the underneath. So that when I get back after it, we are ready for like the pre-coat. So this is the crumb coat. I know it's not baking, but this would be the crumb coat. It's all streaky and weird. And then after this, it starts getting pretty. Oh, and I still have to sand down the drips. So I have the drips over here. Leaching the smell back up. kind of worried about that. I don't know where the smell is leaching up from. But I can smell it a little bit. It's not like it was, like, but there's a smell today in here. So it has to be in the joints where, like, there's a parts that back there and back there that it's open. And I did drip primer down there. I'm trying to, like, coat the entire thing, but there's no way it covered it completely. So I'm guessing that's probably where it is. And then when I put the water-based paint on and it dripped down and it hit a spot that wasn't primed, that's why we're getting a smell. But I don't like it. I don't like the smell. Not at all. That can't happen. We can't have that. If I have to, I'll clear coat it with spray clear to make sure I can get down in there. But that's just the challenge with old wood when it smells, is you got to make sure the whole thing is covered, or you're gonna wreck your project, because the next person does not want old wood smell in their house. So you're not gonna be able to sell it because they're gonna be like, ooh, it's got that old wood smell. Usually that's more of a challenge with dressers. So it's been really interesting that this is a chair with that very strong old wood smell. Might have to give her some sunshine and bleach, right? So that's usually what I do to not desks, well, desk drawers too. But what are they called? They hold your clothes. Dresser drawers. I wish that was a joke. My brain was stuck. This is what I mean. My brain is tired from having to put the paper together myself. And I mean, it's like, if you're physically tired, and I've done both, right? Like my job, when I do junk bonanza, I know physical tired. Physical tired is different than mental tired. You can sit down when you're physically tired and feel better. When you are mentally exhausted, you can't sit down and feel better. You have to switch off. You have to veg out. And it's like, there's no way to feel better. I can't just put on some comfy shoes and sit on the couch and still be able to read a book. I couldn't read a book right now. Nope. Wouldn't be able to tell you what I read. My brain is tired. So I'm going to do this because I can do this. And then I'm going to go to bed and hope for a better day tomorrow. Because I'm going to go to my booth. Yay. I'm actually looking forward to going to my booth. We've got to place the buffet, and it's getting like a full-on makeover this month. So it's going to be exciting. I want to get the mirror out of there. There's a whole bunch of stuff I want to do. And I need to get started on it right away. So tomorrow's the day we start. Plus the security cameras going up. And hopefully nobody's messed with my stuff in between. All right, I'm going to work on this. You guys entertain yourselves. I'll be back. Okay. The legs are painted. The underneath is painted. The upside down stuff is painted under the arms. Everything has got a single coat of paint on it now. Now I'm tired. It did feel nice just to kind of zen out and paint for a while. I know this isn't going to be a really long video, and it's not very exciting for you guys, but that's what I'm doing today. And this is a daily vlog, so. I'm going to go to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. Like, all day long at work, towards the end of the day, I'm like, I just want to go to sleep. Just want to lay my head down, close my eyes, and go to freaking sleep. It was brutal. It was rough. I am still very jazzed on these. And the fact that stayed down now. Yes. So my husband gave me glow-in-the-dark powder. You mix it with clear coat and it makes anything glow. What do we think about glowing a little glow? I've got glaze, and I was thinking if I could put a little glaze on some of them, make them glow a little bit. I don't know if I would do all of them or just a couple of them, or if it's even worth it because I couldn't really show it in a booth like glowing. People wouldn't know until they got home. Anyway. Yes, you can buy glow-in-the-dark powder. Yep, it's for car guys and like pinstripers and stuff. So he does like pinstriping and fancy painting. He's a fancy painter. I'm a messy painter. He's a fancy painter. You can buy powder, pigment, glow-in-the-dark pigment powder. And it's just a little pot of it that he gave me. And he only did a little bit. But you mix it in with clear coat, or you can mix it in. I asked him about glaze, and he goes, yeah, you can mix it in with a glaze, anything clear. So the clear glaze, the glaze base that I have, that I can mix my own colors in, I could put the glow-in-the-dark in that, and I could also put it in a clear. I'm debating on whether I'm going to do that, or do it on a pumpkin or something. Because a pumpkin, I mean, I can see somebody putting that outside and getting plenty of light and glowing in the dark, and it'd be kind of cute. Anyway, you can let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be done for the day because I'm just exhausted. I doubt I've even got 6 minutes of video for you guys here. But, you know, I just want to pop in and say hi and show you that I'm getting this. I'm not giving up on her. She's going to get done. She's going to be pretty and beautiful, and we're going to love her and find her a new mommy. There you go. But if I get her base coated, I can get her out of here and get the table in and the footstool in and the other table in. And, well, this table's here. But I just got a list of stuff that needs to get done and like fast so they can get in the shop. Because I'm tired of looking at them. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.